Hi guys, it's Matthew again. Today, as stated earlier, we'll be releasing more updates on the crypto trading. So today we'll be focusing on account verification process. I believe everyone have signed up now for a free trading account. So all you have to do is you can see this is what we went through in the last video, the introduction. So as stated earlier in the last video, we'll be following all this account verification process, and after account verification we'll go through the account funding for worldwide traders and Nigerians due to restrictions. Then we'll go through the withdrawal and more deposit options, then the P2P trading where you can also make money every day, then the main trading, which is the spot trading, as a coin trading all the cryptos using the spot trading and limits trading tactics, the future trading, the type trading, and the crypto coin tracking and monitoring, then the chart trading and much more. So today we'll be focusing on the account verification process, which is very simple and easy. So the first thing to do is for you to sign up for a free trading account if you have not done so. All you need to do is to visit www.binance.com/en/register !ref equals 138775674. So after signing up, you download the app. You can use your Gmail address to sign up and also your mobile phone number. You download the app, then we're going to be verifying your trading account for you to be able to start trading, then you also to raise your limits. So here, then don't forget to subscribe to all our channels. As stated earlier, we have 3 channels and you can see the links right here. We're going to paste all this in the video description on YouTube, so just check the video description on YouTube to see all our channels, to subscribe to all our channels. So let's go back to the Binance app. If you signed up, make sure you've downloaded the Binance app on your Play Store or the iOS store. Download it on your mobile phone. So once you've logged in, this is a demo account right here. I just created it today for me to be able to show you how to verify. So on the top left corner here, this shape that looks like human being, you click on it, then you click on verify. So it will take you to the, ensure you have a very strong internet connection, you have a very rugged phone, because as stated earlier in our first video, we'll be using mobile device to make all our tradings on the crypto and on the Binance platform. So as you can see right there, you just click on, once it launches, you just click on verify. Depends on your country. You can see this is the default country here showing Nigeria. So you can verify using a BVN if you reside in Nigeria, but you will not see that option on the mobile app. You have to do that to see the BVN. You have to do that on the Chrome browser. That means you log in on the desktop, then on the Chrome browser, if you click on verify, you're going to see the BVN option right there. But if you're using the mobile phone, all you need to do is to click on start verification. Then you enter your name, your registration address, and your residential address, the postcode and city. Then you click on next. So let me do a dummy stuff right here. So let's see where it will take us to. Let's see where it will take us to. Right there. So and okay. I click on submit. So you can see when I enter that, it's just a dummy info. It prompts me to upload my ID card or the passport or the driver's license. So if I upload any of those, I make sure it tallies with the address on the, I prefer to use the driver's license because it has an address on it, or you can also use a passport. So once you upload it, the next step is to do the residential verification. That one you can use the utility bill or the national identity card. For that one, that's the second verification. So once you upload it, they're going to check your documents. You also need to take your pictures after uploading your ID. Then you also hold it. You can use your phone to do all that. Just change your phone to front camera to take your picture. Then you hold the ID as well. You take the picture with the ID, then you upload it. Then the next step is to wait for your account to be verified. Once you are verified, you will see the option on the right corner where it shows verify. You see verified right there. Then you can begin trading. So in our next video, we'll focus on how to fund and the deposit, the withdrawal process, and all that. Before we go further to the main trading. So you can see it's easy. So this is the trade section right here. This trade section. So let me just confirm all this. Okay. These are some terms and conditions because the cryptocurrency trading is also volatile and you might encounter some losses if you are not doing it right. So that's what that is all about, as wallet and all that. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to all our channels for more upcoming videos. So that's how to verify your account. So in our next video, we'll be going deeper on the withdrawal and deposit, especially for Nigerians and other countries. Bye.